2018 Cadillac XT5. This SUV offers space as well as power and performance. Additionally, you'll be more than pleased with extra features like these: cross-traffic alert, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, premium sound system, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors, moonroof, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, memory seat, tinted windows, rear air conditioning, power driver seat. Get into the car of your dreams today. Visit us.